Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Vida FCU mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Vida FCU mobile banking is a digital banking app designed to help credit union members manage their finances securely and conveniently from their mobile devices. The app allows users to check real-time account balances, view transaction history, and transfer funds between accounts. It also supports mobile check deposit, enabling members to deposit checks using their phone's camera. Additional features may include bill pay options, card management tools, and account alerts to help users stay updated on important activity. Security tools such as biometric login and multi-factor authentication help ensure safe and reliable access. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's clean design, reliable performance, and ease of navigation. Mobile deposits and fund transfers are typically quick and convenient, and the alert system helps users stay informed about account changes. Security features like fingerprint or Face ID login contribute to a seamless and secure experience. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users may experience occasional connectivity issues or delays in mobile deposit processing. The app may also lack more advanced budgeting tools or financial insights offered by some larger banking apps. While the core banking functions work well, those looking for more robust financial management tools may find the options somewhat limited. In summary, the Vida FCU mobile banking app may be worth using if you need a simple, secure, and reliable way to manage daily banking tasks such as checking balances, paying bills, and depositing checks. However, if you prefer more advanced budgeting features or broader financial tools, the app might feel a bit limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.